Hello friends, welcome to CAD Maniac. This is Jitavo. Today in this tutorial, we will learn how to download Revit, Autodesk Revit, and then how to get Autodesk Revit student license free for a year. You can choose between Autodesk Revit 2018, Autodesk Revit 2019, Autodesk Revit 2020, and Autodesk Revit 2021, whichever version your computer supports. We will also know from where you can buy Revit, what is Revit LT's price, how much Revit costs, and from where you can get Revit LT subscription. So open your browser, type Revit student version in the search bar, press enter, then click on the first link, then click on get products. Here it is, Autodesk Revit, and here are the other Autodesk products. Now click on get started under Revit. Now you have to sign into your Autodesk account, and if you don't have an account, then click on create account. I have provided the link in the I button on how to create a Autodesk student or educator account and what documents you have to upload. So do check that video. So I have signed in. Now scroll down. Always download these softwares from Autodesk official website. Now click on get product again under Revit. This is for Windows. From here you can choose between Revit 2021, Revit 2020, Revit 2019 and Revit 2018. So I am choosing Revit 2021. Then click on this downwards arrow. You can download the file. I'll directly click on install and then I'll click on accept. So it has started downloading the setup. Let it download. I'll show you from where you can get Revit LT subscription. So type Revit LT in the search bar. Click on Revit LT subscribe. So from here you can buy Revit LT, and here it's given how much Revit LT costs. You can stay on US site or visit Indian site. So you can buy it from here and use it commercially. Installation will take some time depending upon your internet speed. Okay, I got some error message. Okay, the disk space required is 17 GB, so I'll reinstall it in some other drive. I'll click on browse and create a directory for installation path. Then click on install. I have skipped the part so that the video don't get stretched unnecessarily. Now click on launch now. So here it is, Revit has been installed successfully. Now for getting Revit tutorials for beginners, you can type CAD Maniac in the Google search bar, press enter, click on CAD Maniac YouTube, go to playlist, and here you will find a hell lot of videos on AutoCAD and Revit. You can access the playlist you want to. And this is the basic Revit tutorial for beginners. You must watch this tutorial if you don't know anything about Revit. So do like and share the video if you like it, and do subscribe the channel to get more and more tutorials on AutoCAD and Revit. So everybody stay healthy, stay safe, bye bye.